From elementary schools to university, every student needs a laptop, even though laptops are not always readily available. The Smartmory locker solves this problem by creating a lending locker filled with laptops that students can check out with a click of a button. By downloading the Smartmory app, a student can find a locker and a computer brand with ease, and returning is just as easy. The locker provides security for both the students and the laptop, while holding accountability for the laptop's use. The goal of our project is to design and build a smart lending locker with the capability to house up to 10 laptops for campus students to get temporary access to these laptops. To track the use of the laptops, we are developing a smart lending locker system that will allow the locker to report inventory to the client's platform through a cellular connection. Access to the locker can be managed through an application on the user's phone. For our test demo, we will be using an Android and iOS device, our relay, a Raspberry Pi, which connects to our Android and iOS device, an NFC reader to authenticate our laptops via the Raspberry Pi through the USB port, a solenoid lock which connects to our relay and is opened whenever a signal is sent from our iOS and Android devices. On the left is our fancy iPhone X, which will get a text message whenever a laptop is authenticated. On the right, we have our Android device that is displaying our app user interface. This app can be on both the iPhone and the Android device. For our first test demo, we will be testing that our lock can unlock via our Android and Apple device. On the left, you have our terminal, which we are running our Python script, which is listening for our device command. We then use the Android device to unlock a shelf, which has our MacBook Pro, and then you can see the lock unlock. For our second test, we will be showing that the NFC can tell between two different NFC cards. We are running the Python script that is listening to our devices. We then press an empty shelf, which then unlocks the compartment. We then take the bad card to the NFC reader. The Raspberry Pi then sends a text message via our mockup API to our iPhone X. Now the good card represents an actual laptop that a user is trying to return. We run the same Python script, which listens to our devices. We click an empty compartment, and we use a good laptop and put it over the NFC reader. This then sends a text message saying that the laptop is returned. For our third test, we will be testing our scalability to support multiple shelves. We run the same Python script and then test the seventh shelf. When we press the seventh shelf button, a light on the relay will light up to display that voltage is being outputted. This can be done with any of the shelves, such as the last one, to show that our system can support multiple locks. Wow, it works! Thank you!